President Joe Biden repeated yesterday that he believes schools should remain open, and Arizona Governor Doug DUCEY actually agrees, now promoting a program to help parents facing unexpected school closures. So parents can now get $7,000 to pay for things like childcare, transportation, online tutoring, and tuition, but the cash is only available if your children's school closes. Meanwhile, with Omicron spreading and other viruses circling, there's been a huge spike in students and staff calling out sick. Gina.
So Kylie's joining us live to break down how the absences compare to previous years and how school districts are dealing with all the health challenges. Kylie, good morning.
Good morning. I reached out to about a dozen districts, and the ones who got back to me with specifics really all say the same thing, that student absences as of now are up compared to last year. We know that school has only been in session for a day or two, depending on the district, but let's take a look at some of the figures. So first, we're going to start out with Cartwright. Cartwright says that more than 3,000 kids were absent Monday, the majority due to COVID. Yesterday's numbers a bit better, but still much higher than the first semester and the averages. Tempe Elementary says roughly 17% of kids were absent on Monday. Madison School District in Phoenix says absences doubled on campus Monday for the start of the new semester when compared to numbers in early December. So here in Peoria, the district couldn't give me specific student numbers, but staff absences for the start of the semester are a little higher than average. They say almost 200 staff members called out Monday. The district able to fill 68% of those absences, meaning other teachers and staff members had to cover in cases where they couldn't find a sub. So what happens in Peoria and in other districts if more kids get COVID and have to stay home? Well, plans, as parents know, vary by district. Here in Peoria, we talked to Danielle, AIREY, who says that students currently have to isolate for 10 days after testing positive.
The individual teacher is working with those students to provide support at home. In many cases, that might be work that is sent home or some direction or instruction or worksheets or things that they're provided while they're home. And of course, depending on how they feel. And then in some cases, particularly in the high school and some classes, that may be access to some online learning modules or some recorded lessons.
So here in Peoria, unified masks are recommended but not required. Same goes for districts in Scottsdale as well as Mesa and Chandler. There are some districts requiring masks for the start of the semester. Those include Phoenix Union, PV Schools, and Kyrene. But I think it is safe to say, unfortunately for kids and teachers out there, it is a challenging start to another semester.